Yo, what's up, you guys? Welcome to a new year of adventures with Big Al's Boys in the Wild. We're out here, Easy Acres Cattle Farm, doing our thing. New home base for us out here. And today we have a pretty cool little adventure for you guys. So stick around. I think you're gonna love it.
Dad, all these pants were falling down,
Oh,
so then we could see his diaper.
Oh no! Did you get them squared away?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Nice, thanks, man.
Yahoo!
All right, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Let's do this thing, bro. My turn, dude.
Tell him what to do. Like and subscribe. And hit that bell.
All right, you guys. So this is our chicken coop setup here. This is the side of the barn, and then this is just a small run. We only have a few layers. We don't have any meat chickens or anything like that. So this is our setup so they can get some yard time. Get out, stretch them chicken legs. Yeah, chickens. We actually have a pretty exciting addition here. Hey, you little. Oh yeah. That is popcorn and I don't remember, brownie maybe, something like that. No, I don't remember what the other one's name is. So today we got to set them a spot up in the coop so that they'll be separate from the bigger chickens that are already out here, so they don't get picked on, because these older chickens, the bigger hens will harass those little hens. That's impressive, dude. That's impressive. So we can get them set up. Oh yeah. There's the tractor. Little man. Hi. Are you playing back in the hay? What are you doing back there? Huh?
Pooped.
You pooped?
Yeah.
Or did you find bird poop?
No.
Oh, I see. Here we go. So this is our coop setup in here. There's the access to the outside. They got a little swing that they can jump up on, right on the inner webs, that they like that kind of thing. A little roosting thing for them over here. All right, come on, bud. Hey, yep, come on. Recreational type of area indoors. Did you just poop?
Yes.
Yeah, I think I heard it. Oh man. Hey, go see mama. I think mama wants you, buddy. Tell her, say, I got something for you, mom. Just kidding. I'll change that diaper. These yucky chicken boots. Change the biz. Oh my goodness. Bro, that's insanely stinky and nasty. You ready? One, two, three. What do you think? Is that better? Now that you don't have a stinky butt?
So, right now, we're taking out the water. Yeah! I have something in my boot. And life is great. We're filling up the chicken's water.
Because it's very important that they have water.
Yeah. And then there's little holes right there that the water just comes out of and then fills that up. We're going back to the barn to put the water in here. They're fake. Are these fake?
Yes. You just put them in there because
This one's fake.
That tells them where to lay their eggs.
Oh, nice, James. All right, what is this chicken's name?
Brownie.
Brownie.
This one's my chicken. It's Brownie.
He's such a cutie. Careful, careful. Hold him good, dude. Hold him good. I don't want you to be careless with him. Yeah, do you see, brother? He has that chicken. It's very cool, huh? All right, let's be careful.
There's Everett's chicken coming out in a minute.
There's Frankie. There's Frankie. What are you doing, Frank? Huh? Yeah. Frankie the farm cat. Oh, who's this?
Popcorn.
Popcorn. Nice. Can you let your brother pet him? Oh, yes. Oh, he's so cute. Okay, careful. It's okay. Yes. Here, can you help me? Can you help me? Oh, man. Little man is so mad that he doesn't have one.
I could get someone. Oh.
Be careful.
I know.
Nice. Let's see how they like it. Let's see how they like the new setup in here. Let's see if they like their new setup in here. There's my mama. Hey, Mom.
Oh, are these supposed to be on like the things?
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's just so he
There we
can't
go.
get through. The big one might hop out, but she's got all her feathers. The little one is just down. So she's just starting to get her feathers.
Yeah.
All right, we need food and water.
Now they have their own little spot in here. I see it coming. It's going very slow. There it is. The choo-choo train. Yeah.
Daddy,
Yeah, bud.
can I ride up to the
Yeah, you can go wherever it's at. What do you think, bud?
I think go bye.
Oh, that was a short train. Oh, all right, you guys. We're gonna make ourselves a little starting point here. Oh yeah, got some stuff laid out here. All right, I think the kids are gonna have so much fun, dude. This is gonna be a blast, man. Oh, look at that beautiful sunshine. Nice job, dude. Oh yeah, dude. This is getting nice. Show you all in a minute. Could go that way, a little shortcut, but I'll take you the long way. Another one of those. You can go either way.
Hey, can I drive?
Well, go get your bike. Get your helmet. you can go multiple directions. A path around there, path on the inside. You gotta watch out for the oil slicks though. Oh yeah, to the finish line, bro. Today, we're picking out some cattle. What's up, ladies? Well, I agree. I like the white face one.
Take her.
I like the white face one. I like the other calf next to her too, the bigger of the two ones at the end.
Nice.
Yeah, I like both of those ones.
Yeah, how about that?
That's good, Dad. Get that out before you get in.
What's that?
Oh, when we were getting those, trying to get those bowls.
Actually, that cat.
Hey, ladies.
Man. That,
There we go.
for that.
You saw that, right? Take a picture
Whoop, whoop.
and give her that envelope.
It too.
Hello! Oh my gosh, her name is gonna be Molly. That's cute.
No, that's the one that had the spot. Can I get them some bread? The last one.
There you go.
That's gonna be Big Tom. Yeah. Everett, it's a girl.
There you go, big girl. Hey, there we go. There's the ladies, and there's the fellas. So we're gonna hold on to them, breed them for a little bit, make these guys do some work, start earning their keep, and then yeah, two of these guys, like I said, are spoken for already. So yeah, we're gonna hold on to one bull and the three ladies here, and hopefully they'll all come to calf, and yeah, we'll start having some beef available. So stick around, y'all, because we might have some Easy Acres beef coming your way here pretty, well, not soon, but soonish. What are you doing? What are you doing? You're supposed to be in there.
How did you fly the coop?
This is our homemade chicken shade. It was free, except for the pressure treated 2x4s that I used to hold it up. reclaimed pallets were free. That was free. It's on the side of the road. Junk. It's all busted up in the back, but it works as a perfect little shade for our chickens. Nice.
And
Hold on here. Let me see brother's flip. Go ahead, bud.
look.
Nice. Let's see what you got. Woo! Wow, that's impressive. You guys have some real skills. Whoa!
What's this?
You might have a future in the stuntman industry. You just practice falling down. I'll be back later. Hey, get out with your bare feet. She's laying an egg right now. Oh, so are those ladies. Oh, we got a bunch of eggs in that one. There's an egg. Let them finish. And then I'll send the boys in here after the eggs. Oh, yeah, nice. Man, yeah. This is it right here.
Hello.
Yeah, you're fine.
I prefer not to. Watch out, this is where they all put you.
Yeah, we gotta watch out. Oh,
This
go for
is where the cows dookie, and I prefer not to go in there.
it. Straight up. This is our side pasture right here. It's the barn. What do you think, bud? Do you like being out here? You. Yeah, I like your haircut. We had this separated here because there we go. We had this separated here because one of our cows is actually a calf of the mother here, and she was still trying to nurse, and she's way too old to still be trying to get milk off mama. So we had to separate her. 100 years? That'd be pretty cool. That'd be a good life for a cow. Planted a bunch of trees here this year. We got some here. We have some in the back pasture.
So we got the play set. It's all good. Well, we're gonna go out there, all the way where those trees are. Go upstairs. Wait, do you have my Gatorade?
Where are we going?
How's the cowboy camp out?
Why?
We're just walking out there because I'm showing all of our YouTube fans the new farm, dude. Because it's awesome. The new farm is lit. It's Slayer, bro. All the latest slang. It's cool. 90s slang. It's the bomb, yo. That's what it is.
It showed you fun.
You're a butt. How awesome is this? Cowboy campsite. We got some old wood that we're not gonna burn in the house, so we burn it out here for cowboy camp out. This right here is our giant burn pit. It's still a work in progress, so don't judge me too harshly. Pretty rough. Then we have some seating here that was provided by my cousin. Thank you. It works perfectly, as you can see. Got a couple nice little end tables, right? I mean, it's kind of like luxurious, really, when you think about it. This was a cool little root piece that kind of stood on its own, so the top got cut flat, and you can see now it makes a perfect little table. And then we have this taller log here for those taller adult type individuals. And then it comes right on around. Another little table, and then another little log to sit on. It's a pretty cool little spot. Looking over the land, looking over the farm. It's a pretty cool little cowboy camp spot. We planted a bunch of trees here. It's hard to see, but there's a bunch of trees right here. That maple we transplanted. I don't know that it's gonna make it. We'll see. A few trees on the other side. This hemlock right here is gonna grow, hopefully, God willing, to be older than my kids, older than my children's children. We'll be able to pass this place on for years to come, God willing. We'll see what happens. But this is it. This is the pasture area. This is what we turned into our cowboy campsite. This is the recreational side of Easy Acres Cattle Farm. The other side of the fence is for the cattle, and then we have, of course, the other pasture over here by the barn. So still plenty of room for the cattle that we keep, but now we can enjoy some of this over here to play with. God willing, we're going to turn this into a little pond area. We'll see what happens with that. I don't know. Gotta wait till everything's right here. But we took down the back fence. We took down the back fence here, went all the way across over to the neighbor's property. We took everything down. We have just some of the verticals here to kind of show the property line still, but other than that, we got rid of a lot of that, cleared everything out, made a couple paths so that the kids can kind of run and play, and now they can hop right into the farmer's field next door. And as long as they're not destructive, they're welcome to kind of hop in there and goof off a little bit. You know, we got a spot set up here for a hammock, so we can do a hammock right here, or hammock, depending on where you're from. And then one of the things that I really love the most is this cool little ghetto rig swing. Goes up pretty high, so the kids can get a real high swing on this thing. It works out pretty well. Pull this thing back here. You hold on to this. You got it?
Yep.
Hold on, I'm gonna pull you way back.
The only disadvantage is that tree. That would hurt. dirt.
Nice, bud. That's not bad though. And it's far enough off that tree that you normally don't have to worry about the kid hitting it or anything like that. Unless, of course, they're tossing each other into it on purpose. Hey, beautiful woman. This tree.
I'm Superman.
Oh, you hit me.
Okay. My turn.
Or if you do this.
My turn. My turn. No, I called second.
Oh, jeez Louise. You guys.
Mulberries.
Yes.
All right, well, James started.
Right here, we have mulberries. You can only eat the black ones, that's right.
If not, you'll get diarrhea.
If not, you're gonna get the diarrhea, that's for sure. Oh, I dropped that one, crap. I don't think that we're gonna find it. Here, here's another nice ripe one on top. There we go. That one's in good shape.
This one.
Mm-hmm.
I don't really like them. They're not my favorite.
Yeah, you gotta wait till they're like really red. The way that you actually are supposed to harvest these is to put a blanket underneath them and they fall off as they're at the peak like ripeness and everything for eating. Yeah, if you eat them off the tree, they're a little bit tart. So, and you definitely don't want to eat them when they're red. You want to wait until they're all the way black. But we have so many mulberries on this property. So like right there's a mulberry.
Our fort is a mulberry.
We have a climbing tree down here that is a mulberry. We'll show you that here in just a second. There's another one across the street that we haven't seen yet. And there's a couple more down at the other end of Cowboy Campout, along with a bunch of wild raspberries too. Oh my goodness. Wow, the deer have been consuming the magnolia tree. Oh my goodness, look at this. It's picked clean. It's getting chewed on. Oh my goodness. Wow, we might have to fence that till it gets big, big, big. We don't want our magnolia tree going down. We want the magnolia tree to be right here next to the pond. Right? Oh, let's go pond. Hey, right now, put it in the comments if you're watching this and you are pumped for a pond on this property. Put it in the comments below. Let's go pond. Right? Are you down for the pond? Look at this. Look at that. Oh man. Do you know what this is?
Deer poop.
Do you know what that is?
Deer poop.
Deer poop, but more importantly, that is a big old chunk of buck poop. That is a male deer that is on our property. Okay, so we'll bring you along in October. What is it? October, I think, yeah, for hunting season. We'll see if we can't nail that.
Hunting season.
Yeah, we'll see if we can't nail that big boy. That's right, let's hear it. Let's go buck, let's go pond. That's what we want. This is a mulberry tree as well. This is a very mature mulberry tree, but it doesn't have berries all over it like the other one does. And I don't know what the deal is. You can see, well, you're not going to be able to see, but I can see that there are little red berries distributed throughout at the top branches. And I think it may be because, similar to an apple tree, for it to produce good fruit, it has to be pruned properly. And I think that that's why only the top branches are bearing fruit. But I don't really know too much about mulberry trees, so we're kind of figuring everything out as we go. But yeah, we have a million mulberry trees on this place, seriously. Yeah, look at this. Man, I'm not trying to knock on where we were in Pennsylvania before, because I love the people and I love the relationships that we formed there, and everything that we experienced there was 99% positive and building and developing of our character. But man, the wide open spaces of this place, I mean, you just can't beat. And it's perfect for these boys, honestly. They're at the perfect age where they need something like this, you know, a positive outlet for all of their energy.
You see me? Yeah, you don't. I still see you. I still see you. I'm like,
What a nerd.
I don't.
Check out the cowboy bathroom.
Watch out.
Little bit of lattice right in the wood line, rope between.
Pretty smelly.
Yeah, I bet it is.
Oh yeah.
Wood chips to help,
Oh yeah.
and a few
Just so you know.
flowering plants nearby to help with the aroma.
Yeah,
Hey,
but they're also bug traps.
and
Not sure.
wait. And bye.